Hi everyone, I am Lori Ann Bonina from BTBTED 3H FSM 8. We all know that there are different mixing methods in baking, and one of those is what I'm going to perform today. It is called cutting in. One of the mixing methods in baking is cutting in. So what is cutting in? Cutting fat into the flour with a pastry blender or using two knives. Why to cut or why to cutting in? Or what is the importance of cutting in baking? In mixing methods. The purpose of cutting butter or solid shortening into flour is to create a flaky texture in a pie, pastry, and cookies. This flaky texture is developed by coating the flour proteins with shortening, interrupting the gluten formation. And this is the importance of cutting in mixing methods in baking. I hope you all understand, and thank you.